In this Google Sheet video, I am going to show you the top 5 most useful keyboard shortcuts for Google Sheets. Let's get started. So here I am in Google Sheet. I have some test courses and these are just fictional test courses. But let's say the same group of student plans on taking the same test the next year. What I could do is click this button here to add a new sheet, and I am just going to name that sheet 2024. I just also named this sheet 2023, I suppose, and now on the 2023 sheet I am just going to copy paste this data onto the 2024 spreadsheet. All I need to do is click and drag to select the range that I want to copy, and it could simply be one cell. It does not have to be a range of cells, but I am going to click and drag to get this entire range and then use my first keyboard shortcut. You may already be familiar with this, it's probably the most commonly used keyboard shortcut across different programs. And Ctrl C to copy. Now if you are using Google Sheet on a Mac, it's not Ctrl C, it's Command C. Now I have copied that data and I am going to switch over to the 2024 spreadsheet and use my second keyboard shortcut, Ctrl V or Command V on a Mac, to paste in the data. And now of course I could clear out the data that need to be updated and add more data, etc. Now sometimes you don't want to copy paste the data. You want to cut and paste, so far that go to the data that you want to be cut and pasted, selected, hold Ctrl and Tab X and then move to the location where you want the data to be pasted. Click and then hold Ctrl and Tab V to paste. So did not copy paste it, cut and paste it, so in many cases. Those are the 3 most commonly used and useful keyboard shortcuts. Let's move on to a few others. If you regret an action to take in Google Sheet, just hold Ctrl and Tab Z, undo that action, and you can tab that several times to keep going back through the list of actions that you have done. If you go back too far, you can hold Ctrl and Tab Y to redo the action, and again on the Mac, all of these instead of Control or commands. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.